Thoughts of financial security and wealth are common among many individuals. Not everyone is aware of how to achieve them, even while it may not always feel like it. There are several characteristics and actions that can be a sign that someone is moving in the direction of riches. The 10 signals that you will be wealthy, even if it doesn't feel that way, are covered in this video. Those qualities include a strong work ethic, effective budgeting techniques, an optimistic outlook, networking skills, risk tolerance, the capacity to learn, an entrepreneurial spirit, the capacity to wait gratification, frugality, and effective beginning techniques. You are putting yourself in a position to succeed financially and laying the groundwork for long-term wealth accumulation by exhibiting those qualities and habits. Number 1. An excellent work ethic. A person is more likely to succeed and become wealthy if they put in effort and decision in their careers. Number 2. Effective financial management. The key to accumulating wealth is understanding how to prioritize savings and manage your money. Number 3. A good disposition. Your ability to perceive in the face of challenges and move closer to your financial objective might be aided by an optimistic mindset. The fourth skill is networking. Opportunities for job growth and higher income can arise from developing a strong network of contact. Number 5. Risk acceptance of item. You may increase your profit and gradually increase your wealth by taking sensible risks. Number 6. Being able to learn. Maintaining a competitive edge in your work and raising your earning potential can both be accomplished by consistently learning new things and adapting to them. Number 7. An entrepreneurial mindset. Starting your own business or making investments in a new ventures would have a significant financial payoff. Number 8. Way to get what you want. To accumulate wealth, one must have the discipline to put off momentary joys in favor of long-term financial objective. Number 9. Frugality. Living within your means and eliminating unnecessary expenses can enable you to save more money and gradually accumulate more wealth. Number 10. Effective negotiating abilities. High wage and greater wealth can be attained through having the ability to successfully negotiate salary, contract, and business deals. Remember that accumulating wealth takes time and work, and even though it may not always seem like it, those individuals point to the fact that you possess the qualities and abilities necessary to succeed financially.